YouTube, and today we're going to do a quick video because I've noticed there is not many on YouTube of a 2002 Holden Commodore Executive. In this model you do get the automatic headlights, which is pretty cool. So let's get to it. Let's start by unlocking it. This cool. Come on, alright. So, start. This car is in a pretty big mess at the moment. We've been travelling for at least, what, 3 or 4 days. Come all the way up to Queensland, Australia. We travelled all the way from Kima. Yeah, in the meantime, I'll just show you these cool blue lights that we got from Autobahn. They're pretty freaking cool, man. They're blue. They look cool when the light comes on too. Let's give you a quick shot of the car. All right. Now let's jump in. In the model that I got, which is not the Lumina because it's the Executive, you get the one at Windows, but I am pretty happy with the one at Windows because I've had a lot of bad experience with electric windows. So let's power it up. And before I power it up, just want to show you something. So it'll power up. Alright, so here, it's very nice. You get all these cool features. I'll show you what you can go through. Battery voltage. My favourite one is the remaining fuel and the coolant temperature and the digital speed. And yeah, and now it does like this check that checks everything's working properly. Like speedometer monitor's right. That's where your car will cut out if it overheats. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Got some cool tunes going on here. But before I show you the cool tunes, I'll let you have a quick squiz of the motor, because that's the whole point of a car video, isn't it? It's pretty quiet, you can't really hear it running. Nice and smooth. Only thing I noticed is this thing right here. It looks like rust, but I'm not 100% sure. The only thing I had to fix in this car is the heater tap. Then I had to give it a bleed. The overflow had a crack in it when I got it. That was about it. So that's that. Here's a big slam to shut it. It won't shut properly for some reason. Just give me the fucking shits, man. For some reason it won't shut. Dear Lord, please tell me what the hell it is. Damn it. Okay, shut. Give you a quick shot of these lights with the actual lights on. So if clicking that auto is not going to work because it's still daytime. So you get your headlights in that blue thing there, which looks pretty cool. We'll jump back in. Yeah, for some reason when I got this car, I noticed that there is an ant nest in here somewhere. There's ants everywhere, so if any of you people on YouTube know how to get rid of the friggin' pets, not pets, the fucking creatures, please let me know. And I installed some new speakers in the car as well. Thoughts all the way up, but it's clear. So yeah, this is the 2002 Holden Commodore Executive. This is probably a really weird video, but it's just a quick tutorial. Like, there's not many on there, so yeah. So yeah, this is it. Like, when I lay down at night time, I like to just watch videos of cars, and there's none of this, so I thought maybe someone else likes to do it as well, so I just done a quick one. Thank you, YouTube, and peace out.